Hi guys, so today just a quick little short. I'm just going to show you an easy way that you can take your textures here and flip them or rotate them directly within Poser without having to do it in Photoshop or your favorite image editor. So here's a plane which has a photograph mapped onto it. This could be a landscape that you're looking at out the window. It could just be a background image or something like that. So I'm going to go over to here to the material room, open the material room, and here's where the magic happens. So here's the image map here, and it's controlled by the UVW coordinate system. So basically this determines the mapping of the image, or the way that the image is wrapped around the surface that it's on. So in this particular case, let's say that we like this image but we just want it flipped horizontally. So to flip it horizontally, we're going to retain this UVW mapping. Here's the UV mapping, and all we're going to do here now is we're just going to change it to -1 in this value here. And you'll see that that just flips over, and now it's going to render the opposite way around. So it's just convenient to be able to do it in Poser. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly show you the values. For some of them you're going to have to change to VU mapping here, and for others you're going to stick with UV depending on what you want to accomplish. I'm not going to talk through anymore. I'm just going to go straight here to Photoshop. So here you can see the rotations. You can see UV, VU, UV, VU. I'll just leave that up on the screen for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now I'm going to do so they were rotations, and now we're going to do flips and rotations. So here we've got a vertical flip, here we've got a horizontal flip, and then we've got rotations with flips. Okay, so again, just changing these values here where necessary, changing the texture coords from UV to VU, and then entering the appropriate values here, 1, 1, -1, 1, whatever. Okay, so I'll leave that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you found that useful, guys. Just quick and easy. So you take care. Hope you're having a great weekend.